Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing some biscuits. Let's get this started. Alright. Now this bowl, we're going to get us 2 cups of flour. Try not to make a huge mess here. Well, I'm making it anyway. Better second time. Alright, now we're going to go 1/4 teaspoon, sorry noise, of baking powder. We're going to go 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix that in together. Alright, we're also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright, get that all mixed in. We're going to introduce our fat. We called for 1/2 cup of butter, but I'm putting a little bit more than that because I like it like that. And you want your butter to be cold. So we're just going to mix that in. Oops, I done broke something. Bring that together until all your butter and flour is combined. So let me do that and I'll come back to you. Alright, that's about how we want it. I'm going to stick this back in the refrigerator for a hot second, just so I can get everything back cold, because it's warmed up a little bit. We want everything to stay cold so it mixes well. It's not room temperature yet, everything's fairly cool. It's not melted or anything. I just want it cold. So I'm going to stick this in the fridge for about 15 minutes or so, and we come back. Alright. Dig us a little well out here. We got some ice cold buttermilk going in there. Alright. Take the sink. Now we're just gonna mix that in till we get us a nice little wet glob. Continue that. I'll come back when I got this mixed in. Alright, I added a little more, about 1/4 cup more of cream, because it was not coming together. So, but on the floured surface, we're going to flour the top here a little bit too. Need our biscuits out. Get another glove on so we can work. Alright. Smash that out a bit. Gonna fold that over. Get us some layers. You don't want to work with it too much. Make your biscuits tough. So smash it out a bit. A good rectangle, nice size square. Do that about 3 or 4 times. It's a little messy, but it's okay. Worth the work. All right, last time. Flour going here, starting to get a little sticky on me. Flour surface workable once again. All right. With that, get our surface a little more dusting. Get our trusted rolling pin out. I'm gonna roll these out maybe about a quarter inch or so. Cut her out, give it a little dusting. Just cut our biscuits out. These bad boys to the side. Rework our dough a bit. That back out. Now you can do this until you really don't have any dough left. I think your biscuits, those last few, will be kind of tough from all the working. So I'm shooting for about 8 out of this. I believe you can get 12 for sure, or close to it. Make sure you give your biscuits a good dusting. We're going to set this aside. Probably make us a crust out there here in a little bit. So that's that. Let's get them panned up. Alright. I pre-sprayed this up, cookie sheet. And I got these, I said a quarter inch, but they're about a half inch thick. And we're going to stick this in a 450 degree oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. So let's get that done, and I'll bring you back for the final product. Alright, look pretty good. I'm going to brush them with some butter. Stay tuned. Alright, butter here. Shine them up right nice. I am a butter harlot. So with all the butter on the inside, it's baked in, and this butter on top, I definitely should be satisfied. Let's give these a taste. Looks like it. I could use some more butter myself, but these taste absolutely wonderful. Let me dab me some butter on here. Sweet, savory, moist, delicious. There's gonna be a problem tonight with biscuits because I already can't stop eating them. But hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Share the video. And hey, subscribe if you haven't. So hey, we'll see you on the next one.